my name is Miana, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of a Diamond Art Club painting. This painting used to be called, I think, Gemini, but now it's called Mermaid Twins. I'm going to show you here. And well, I bought it last, I think, at the end of June when it was restock. So let's get to the unboxing. This is the next painting I plan to do once I'm done with the one I started. Okay, so let's do this. Alright, so this is a round painting with AB. Put that on the floor. Nothing else. Toolkits. Sticker. And that's it. Alright. So, let's have a look. I'm going to show you that like the sticker. With the details and the legend. So it get, I think, 39 colors, and it's supposed to be 1 AB in there. So now let's check the toolkit. So as usual, you get the little pen with a squishy, the boat, 2 wax, and some little baggies for the leftover drawers. I want to see something, because when I did the unboxing of the introduction kit, this says there is a multiplacer. There was none, and this time again I think I don't have any. I don't know, maybe I should. I did watch some video of people unboxing Diamond Art Club paintings, but I never really pay attention to see if they had multiplacer in the toolkit. I need to check that, because that's probably like the 5th painting I unboxed, and they don't have a multiplacer. So I'm gonna put that here. Let's have a look. It's supposed to be 74 by 55 centimeter. Put that here. As usual, they give you the little booklet with the instruction. I'm gonna have a look at the drill after. Let's look at the painting first. Oh, it's really nice. It's beautiful. I know it's supposed to be Gemini or now, well, they call it Mermaid Twins, but well, I see another meaning to this painting to me. So that's why I want to do it. And this one I plan to put it in my bedroom. Yeah. So it's really nice. And so this is a round. I don't know if you can see it, or let me see. Yeah. See, stickiness. Yeah, it's really sticky. I can't wait, because that's gonna be my first Diamond Art Club. The first diamond painting I did came from AliExpress. I pay, this one is pretty big, 70 by 90. I pay like $35 for it. The quality is not bad. Of course, it's not high quality, but for the price that I paid, I cannot really complain about it. So let me just put that here. It's gonna lay it flat. Put this one here. I want to measure it, because last time on the introduction kit it was shorter, a little bit shorter than what they say. So they say that it's supposed to be 74 on the length and on the height 55. So let's start with the height. So it is 55, and this one it is really 55, like here, from here to here. So that's good. 55 by, this is, oh no, okay, on this one it is a little bit shorter. It's like 73 centimeter and 4 millimeters, so it's missing 6 millimeter. As I say, after, I don't know really if you can complain about it, but they rounded up to the next number. Maybe they should just round it up on the lowest number, 73 and not 74. So now I'm gonna open the drill. I think it's only 180 in this one. I'm going to show you a close-up so that you can see myself. Okay, so black. This is black. Is it free one time? Yeah. Off 9. Yeah. Like the free can be a little bit confusing a bit. It can be like people may think it's a 9, but if you use to do if you used to do like a cross stitch and use DMC floss, you know that black is usually 310, so 310. So that's one. I'm gonna count 1. That's still black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 18, 19, 20. Okay. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I don't know, maybe I don't know how to count because it's supposed to be 39 colors, so. And the ABs are this one. So this very pretty yellow. How about you guys can see? I think there's another one. And that's it. That was the AB. So I'm gonna show you all the colors really. I hope it's not gonna be a glare because I got lights again in front of me. Like the drills look really good. The color are really nice. So the pro, and so I'm going to show you too a close-up of the picture. I'm going to put that on the side. I'm not a very talkative person, so I'm sorry. I know some people are very talkative and bubbly on their unboxing video, but that is not me, so. try to do my best. I know because of the plastic on it. Oh yeah, I cannot wait to get started on this one. That's gonna be the next one. It is. Since using I had it was a 70 by 90 for my first diamond painting. I think I was too greedy because I started to get bored of it. But this one I think it's a good size. It's not too big and it's a round. I think it's gonna go quicker too. So that's it guys for this unboxing. I don't plan to do it too long. And as I said to you, I'm not talkative, so that's gonna be it. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching my videos, and see you another time.